What's up, YouTube and all my followers? Thanks for tuning in again. This is going to be actually a video over the Sneakers app, as y'all probably can read from the description of this video. Pretty much I'm just going to have show you how to use the app and what makes it special and what makes it pretty cool on my phone. Also, I have a couple codes to give away. I know a lot of people, YouTubers, were giving out the codes when the app first came out, but a lot of people still don't have the app, and it's a pretty cool app. Once you get the hang of using it and figuring out how to use it, it's a really cool app, and it's helped me out a lot, especially like on restocks and like stuff that we don't get in Austin. Like just doing it makes it a lot easier, and a pretty cool process on how to get it. It's pretty much Nike's way of combating people who have bots, and it's really smart. I mean, it's super quick, and a lot of the times the stuff doesn't sell out super fast, and it gives you a lot quicker access to the shoes. And my using it, I probably ordered about 3 shoes. I actually ordered a pair yesterday whenever they restock, which I'll show y'all in a second. But pretty much I'm going to show y'all, and at the very end of the video I'm going to give y'all, I have 2 extra access codes that any of y'all can use that I just have laying around. So I thought, what the heck, I'll throw this video together and maybe hopefully help out some other people getting these access codes, and hopefully it works out for you guys. I'll actually do one of them showing y'all. I'm not going to show you mine because I don't know. I heard that multiple people can use one access code. I'm not sure. I'll show you one of them, and then the other one I'll just kind of give away the first person. I don't know. I'll make something up at the very end. I'll ask a question. Whoever answers the question gets it. But anyways, let's get into it, guys. Hope you like this video, and let's get into it. So guys, let's get into everything you are going to need. You're going to need an iPhone. Yes, I know this is an iPhone 5S. I have not jumped on the iPhone 6, but I'm just going to wait for the next thing to come out. My iPhone 5S works perfectly fine. And then you're just going to need the access codes, which either comes in like an email or what other way. There's multiple different ways people were getting them. Mine just happened to be on these little metal things. These are actually the 2 of them that I'm actually going to be giving away at the very end of this video. So stay tuned if you want the sneaker app and you don't have it. And then I have, of course, mine. So pretty much you're just going to go to the App Store, download the Sneakers app. It's going to look like that. It's going to be SNKRS. That's the sneaker app. That's going to be the name on the App Store. Let me log out for you guys real quick so you can kind of see from start to finish. That's what it looks like when you're logging out. It's kind of cool. Alright, so pretty much this is what it's going to look like. Just see, it says upcoming releases, shop the latest, and enter access code. So you actually can use the app without the access code. You just can't purchase anything. Really, it's just like, honestly, I don't know how it works without the access code. I really only downloaded the app once I got the access code, but I know you can actually use it. You just can't order anything with it, so it's kind of like pointless. But pretty much you're just going to enter the access code that I either give y'all or you have. And it's going to be, let me see, it's going to be like an 8-digit, either digits or letters. Let me just enter mine real quick. And like once you do it, since I've had it for this couple months, like I've never logged out. Like you pretty much just stay logged in, and then pretty much it's gonna ask you to create an account. It's gonna ask you to create an account or sign in. I already created an account, so I'm just gonna sign in real quick. And then once you get here and you create the account, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to say, what do you need to know? And then it pretty much just walks through on how to use the app. Let me see if I can focus. I know it focuses on this. It says tap to buy, set reminders, so you can put reminders, hey, this is coming out this day, don't forget. Swipe left for more. You can just like it, favorite, add it, share it, kind of stuff like that. personalize your feed, so you can personalize what you see, what you want to see, and what you don't want to see, what you care for and what you don't care for. That's pretty cool. And then you just pretty much get started. So then once you get here, you pretty much got an option of all the Nike different silhouettes. So like you got the Air Force One, the Air Max, the Blazers, the Dunks, the Foamposites, the Huaraches. And since I don't really care too much for Air Force Ones, I'm not really going to follow that. Don't really care too much for Blazers, but I do care for Foamposites, Huaraches, Jordans, KDs, and Kobe's and stuff like that. I check those off, so they will send me notifications for that kind of stuff. And then I just put let's go. You can always go back and edit that if you want to. You can always go back and add some or take some off if you just over time end up growing into some pair of shoes. But for example, like they restocked on these Air Max 90 Corks actually about 45 minutes ago, sent me a notification, but I already have them, so I really didn't care to throw them in my cart again. But it gives me the option to buy it size 8.5. Let's see what other sizes they have. So these are all the sizes they have. Let's see if it actually lets me buy it. Sometimes when it's been sold out, it doesn't catch up to it. Let's see if I can actually show y'all. So pretty much just add it. And it says purchase failed, sorry this item isn't available anymore. So yeah, I mean, it's probably just trying to catch up to it right now. But it did restock on the Nike sneakers app, which is pretty cool. And then when it restocks, you usually have about like 20 minutes before they actually even sell out. So you really have a big window gap compared to if it was released like on a big Nike website or something. The sneaker app kind of narrows it down for you. Then you pretty much just have it, and it gives you detailed pictures of the shoe. And kind of gives you like the story behind the shoe, and then just more pictures of it and the benefits of the shoe. It tells you like what's good about the shoe and what makes it different than the other ones. But and then like shoes that are going to release, like for example, I put a reminder on these women's Air Max 90 Liberty London Love. You pretty much just put notify me, and then whenever they release, it'll send you a little reminder. You just click the reminder, and then you pretty much just do what it does. It'll say 135, and all you got to do is push buy. My credit card information, everything is already set on here. My size, everything, my address. All I got to do is put my password, and it is done. Simple as that, guys. So that's why I'm telling you, it's super simple. Here's what they restocked on just yesterday. Air Jordan 1 KO. The knockouts, don't really care for the KOs, but they did restock on these bad boys, the black and white ones. Definitely grabbed me a size of those in the size 8.5, and it actually didn't sell out until about 30 minutes. So I had a good like 20 minutes to decide whether I wanted them or not, and my size was still there. So did go happen to grab me a pair of these for $140 retail, since I didn't grab them on release date when they did release. But like for example, they do have the gray toes still on the restock. Unfortunately, they only have like 16, 17, and 18, but I don't need those. And then they have the bread 13s on there also, but I don't need those anyways. And then like for example, like the Dunks, when they release, you can get those. The whiteout Huaraches, the Kobe 7 Elites, you can get. I mean, you can pretty much. It's a really nice way to buy stuff, and it's portable on your phone, and it's just a nice way to grab stuff. It makes it a lot more easier. Pretty much it's like my feed, discover. You can see everything that's coming out or that's releasing, or just what's going on so far as what Nike's released. Follow, like I said, you can add or take stuff off that you don't want to follow. For example, if I want to add the blazer, I just click the add button, and then it'll start popping them on my newsfeed. If I don't push that, it won't never post it on my newsfeed. You can invite people. Let's see, what else can you do? You have your account. This is where you pretty much set up like your credit card information, all that kind of stuff. So whenever the shoe releases, all you gotta do is push buy. It already has your size. It already throws it in your cart. All you gotta do is push pay for it. So really combating against bots. This is just my profile and then everything that I'm following. So yeah, I mean, it's a really nice app, guys. If you live in a smaller city and it's really hard for you to get stuff, this is a really good thing for you to do. So I really encourage you to try to go ahead and grab one. But anyways, it's getting kind of long, and I know you guys don't want to sit here and watch me talk all day. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all these. The first person to comment my Instagram name, I'll give you the I'll give you one of these. So basically, the first 2 people to comment, I'll give you free codes. I'll either email them to you or kick you, your preference. I'll comment back to you and let you know the code. I'll comment back to you so I can give it to you privately so people don't grab your code. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. More sneaker videos coming soon. And as always, thanks for watching, and Peace out, guys.